Welcome to InvestoSphere. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful and often overlooked opportunity to build a real income stream using something you probably already use, Pinterest. Pinterest isn't just a platform for saving ideas and finding inspiration anymore. It's a massive visual search engine with over 450 million monthly users, and it has become one of the best platforms for driving free, high-quality traffic to your content, products, and services. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, a full-time employee, or a business owner, if you're in the USA and between the ages of 18 and 60, this video is for you. We'll guide you step-by-step on how to turn your Pinterest account into a source of passive and active income, even if you have 0 followers. We will cover everything from optimizing your profile, creating money-making pins, using affiliate marketing, promoting digital products, to building a sales funnel and growing an audience that buys from you again and again. Stay tuned till the end, where we will ask you some powerful questions to help you apply what you learned today and turn it into real action. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding Pinterest as a monetization platform. First, let's understand what Pinterest really is. Pinterest is not a social media platform in the traditional sense. It functions more like a visual search engine, similar to Google. People come to Pinterest not to socialize, but to find ideas, solve problems, and shop. That means the intent of Pinterest users is extremely high. They're already looking for things to buy, recipes to try, outfits to wear, or courses to enroll in. This intent makes Pinterest one of the most powerful tools for monetization. Your goal is to meet that user intent by placing your content in front of the right people. Section 2. Set up and optimize your Pinterest business account. If you haven't already, switch your personal Pinterest account to a business account. It's free and gives you access to powerful tools like analytics and pin performance. Choose a niche that has both interest and monetization potential. Examples: home decor, personal finance, fitness, fashion, self-development, food, crafts. Use a professional profile photo and a keyword-rich name and bio. Claim your website and verify your domain. Enable rich pins to add extra detail to your pins directly from your site. A strong foundation here sets the stage for everything else. Section 3. Content strategy for monetization. Pinterest runs on content, but not just any content. High-quality, searchable, evergreen content that solves a problem or inspires action. Focus on pinning consistently. Aim for at least 5 to 10 pins per day. Create visually appealing pins using tools like Canva. Use vertical images, 2:3 ratio, bold fonts, and clear calls to action. Write compelling pin titles and descriptions with high-volume keywords. Content strategy matters because your pins can live on for years, driving traffic and income long after you create them. Section 4. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. This is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to make money on Pinterest. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share Sale, Rakuten, or individual brand affiliate programs. Create pins that solve a problem using your affiliate links. Directly link pins to affiliate products or drive users to a blog or landing page with affiliate links. Disclose affiliate links using terms like #affiliate or #ad in the description to follow Pinterest policies. Section 5. Sell digital products through Pinterest. If you have your own products like ebooks, printables, planners, online courses, or templates, Pinterest is an incredible platform for driving sales. Create a landing page or store on platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, or Etsy. Design pins specifically for each product, highlighting the value and benefits. Link the pin directly to your product page. Pinterest users love helpful, actionable digital products. Section 6. Grow an email list with lead magnets. Building an email list gives you a long-term asset. Offer a free lead magnet like a checklist, free guide, or resource library. Create pins promoting your lead magnet. Use an email marketing platform like ConvertKit or MailerLite. As your list grows, you can nurture your audience and promote affiliate offers, digital products, or services. Section 7. Monetize with Pinterest Creator Rewards and Partnerships. Pinterest occasionally offers creator rewards and brand partnerships for those with consistent, high-quality content. This may require applying or being invited. Focus on creating high-performing idea pins. Engage with trends and seasonal content. Grow your follower base by offering real value. Brands are always looking to collaborate with Pinterest influencers. Section 8. Drive traffic to a blog or YouTube channel. Pinterest can be an amazing traffic source for other monetized platforms. Pin regularly to blog posts monetized with ads, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Use Pinterest to send viewers to your YouTube videos that are monetized with ads or sponsorships. You're essentially using Pinterest as the top of your funnel. Section 9. Track, tweak, and scale. Use Pinterest Analytics and Google Analytics to understand what's working. Monitor pin performance, traffic sources, and conversions. Double down on the topics and designs that perform well. Keep A/B testing your pins. Refresh old pins with updated designs and descriptions. This constant improvement will lead to steady growth and income. You don't need a massive audience or a fancy website to make money on Pinterest. What you need is consistency, strategy, and a willingness to learn and test. Today, you've learned how to set up and optimize a Pinterest business account. Create a content strategy designed to make money. Use affiliate marketing and digital products for income. Build and leverage an email list. Drive traffic to external platforms. And scale your efforts using analytics. Now it's time to take action. If you found this video valuable, please like it and share it with others who might benefit. Leave a comment below sharing which monetization method you're going to try first. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to InvestoSphere so you never miss out on powerful strategies to build online income and financial freedom. And here are some questions to reflect on. What type of content would your ideal Pinterest audience want to see? How could you turn your current knowledge or passion into a digital product or affiliate offer? Are you ready to treat your Pinterest account like a business, not just a platform for ideas? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.